at Baydos RV Sales down here in Chehalis, Washington. We're exit 76 off of I-5. Today I want to do a walk around on a 2019 Eagle Jayco. It is a 317 model. The 2019 Jayco Eagle has a really nice front cap with built-in LED lights, pass-through storage. The keys on this RV are all key-alike, your front door to your compartment doors. Has a really nice aluminum three-step system on this particular RV. Has the outside kitchen refrigerator with the TV built in. The MAGNUM roof truss system, rated for 4,500 pounds. It is 50% stronger than the competition. Has a 3-inch MORRIDE suspension. You have 3 inches of play to help your suspension and your driving. The tires are Goodyear Marathon, made in America. The off-door side has a docking station with all of your controls for your winterizing to water system. Battery disconnect. MORRIDE suspension on the pin box, which is an option. Does have the port for your water for a hose. Has the solid surface countertops. Pull-out faucet. Has the docking station that pops up for your electrical. Table and chairs. There are 4 chairs displayed with 2. TV above the fireplace. This has a rear couch, and it has the theater seating next to that fold out into recliners. The upgraded stovetop. 4-door Dometic refrigerator with the upgraded inserts. Has the monitor panel for controlling your jacks and other options in this trailer. Jayco has a 2-year limited manufacturer warranty. Has a really nice residential sink, shower, surround with glass doors, foot flush porcelain toilet, front SIMMONS mattress. It's a residential mattress that SIMMONS makes for Jayco. Front wardrobe, and is washer dryer prep on this model. Again, the SIMMONS is a residential grade mattress. Nice wardrobe drawers and TV across. Come visit us at Baydos RV, exit 76 in Chehalis.